So, in this video, let's talk about what is actually a machine learning in a nutshell. Try to answer this question: what is machine learning in a nutshell? Okay, so let me tell you. Let me tell you what is machine learning in a nutshell. And this is what most of the time recruiters expect you to answer because they want the most simplest explanation that is possible of this particular statement. What is machine learning? So, what is machine learning? Let's talk about that. The most simplest example. In this world, we have this world, right? We are living in this world which is known as Earth. Okay, and here we have some humans. We have a species called as humans. You're a human. I hope you're not a robot. Okay, so we there is something called as humans, and there is something called as machines, right? There is something called as machines. Now, machines look like, let's say, look like this computer or something. Okay. So what happens is humans are the entity of this world who can learn with experience, right? These are the entities who can learn with experience, and every time they experience something, they learn something from that. Either by making mistake or by doing something good or getting some reward, they always get experience, and through their experience they learn something from that. Okay, so they improve by experience, they learn from experience. And machines are something, the machines are the entities who don't learn by experience, who just who just follow the rules. They just follow the rules. Okay, they just follow the rules. Let me write follow the rules here. Okay, so they just follow the rules, nothing else. Follow rules. If we provide some kind of code to them, some Python code, Java code, C code, they are just going to follow the rules. And once they have done their task, they are good to go. They don't learn from those tasks. They don't learn from those tasks. Whatever output they have come, they will. If you repeat the process again, they are going to do the whole rule process again. They are going to follow the whole rules again. But in the case of humans, we learn from experience. If we do something at the first time and then we do something for the second time, we get better at that. Okay, so basically that is why humans have gotten this much better. That is why we have evolved this much. But what if I say that machines will also be able to learn from experience? If machines is able to learn from experience, then what? Okay, so can they learn from experience? Let's put a question mark. Can they learn from experience? And the answer is yes. Okay, can they learn from experience? And the answer is yes. How is that? Because we'll talk about how is that. Okay, we'll talk about how we can learn it from the experience. But I must tell you that yes, machine can learn from experience. And in the virtual world, in the technological world, we call experience as data. Okay, in the human world we call it as experience, and in the technological world we call experience as data. So the most simplest example that you can think of what is machine learning is not example, that simplest definition of machine learning is the process of making machines to learn from their experience, and in the technological world we call experience as data. There is no other definition. Don't try to give linear regression example, don't try to give logistic regression example, nothing like that. Give the examples of machine learning. Okay, give the example. Don't give any kind of example. If just tell them, then the process of making machines to learn from experience is called machine learning, and in the technological world we call machine learning as data. And now we have lot of algorithms, lot of things to implement this kind of thing, which is learning from experience. We have linear regression, logistic regression, and many more. We're going to talk about that in the series of lectures from now on. And these series of lectures are not going to take any kind of code for now. Like for 7 to 8 or 10 lectures, we're not going to do any kind of code. I'm going to make your mind prepared for each and every algorithm that exists in this world. Each and every algorithm that exists, from linear regression to neural networks, I'm going to explain you each and every one, just to put a seed in your brain about all the algorithms. Okay, so that's it. Let's meet in the next video, and we will be talking about what is maybe we'll be talking about what is decision trees. Let's start with decision trees. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next.